Hi there. Welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we'll explore how Kanban board state changes control enables different user interactions when stages are updated. This allows automatic responses when a stage is updated by showing confirmations, opening forms, or requiring specific fields before the update is completed. For example, when an opportunity is moved to closed lost, a confirmation message appears, asking the user to confirm their decision before closing the opportunity. Or, when the opportunity stage is changed to negotiation, review, a record modal opens and prompts the user to provide additional information before proceeding. Let's configure this. Edit the Lightning page using the Lightning App Builder. Once you're in the App Builder, scroll down until you find the Stage State section. In this section, we're going to add our configuration. Now, copy the configuration and paste it into the configuration section. Then, click Save. Click Back. Now, let's test the configuration and see how it behaves when the opportunity stage is updated. As you can see, when I update the stage to closed lost, a confirmation message appears right away. Next, let's update the stage to negotiation, review. Notice that a record modal opens, prompting me to enter the amount field before I can proceed. Once I provide the required information and save, the stage update is completed successfully. And that's it. Thank you for watching.